Do you know you can turn 5 minutes of your time into real cash? Just with your mobile phone, no experience needed, no educational qualification, and no special skill. In this video, I'm going to be revealing an app that is making individuals like you and I make real cash with their spare time. I will teach you step-by-step guide on how you can get started. So endeavor to watch this video to the very end. A lot of people are leaving money on the table, not because they want to, but because they do not know about this secret app I'm about to share with you. It is straightforward, fun, and something you can actually incorporate into your daily life. If making little cash here and there sounds good to you, then this video is for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. You go to either your app store or your play store, type Rwazi. Rwazi is spelled R-W-A-Z-I. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but that's the spelling. Just install it. After installing, open it. When you open it, it's going to show like this. Click on sign in because you don't have an account before. Enter your email then and your password, then you confirm the password. Enter your referral code. I'm going to be leaving mine in the description. Then click on get code. This app is going to send you an OTP to the email you registered with. Go to the email and copy the OTP and come back here and put in your OTP. Then click on verify. After verification, it's going to take you to basic info. Enter your first name. After entering your first name, then you are going to click on submit. When you click on submit, it's going to take you to this interface. You are going to turn on your location. This app functions well when your location is on while using the app. So this is how the interface look like. I just click on gigs. So as you can see, these are actually surveys that I can do and start earning money immediately. Before then, let's go to my wallet to confirm how much I'm actually having in my wallet right now. As you can see, I'm not having anything on my wallet. It's showing 0.00 USD, meaning I have not earned anything yet from this app. So let's do the survey together. The first survey I'm having here is complete your profile. I just clicked on it. So I want to start my survey now. I've entered my first name before. I'm going to enter my last name now. After entering my last name, I'm going to enter date of birth. After entering my date of birth, I'm just going to follow the due process and take you guys through on how I actually did my first survey and how much I was paid for my first survey. So just follow me. Let's do the survey together, okay? So here they are asking for educational qualification. Do well to put in your qualification, all right? You don't need to be a graduate or whatsoever to actually do surveys on this site, all right? So now I just got a notification that I have a new survey. So I'm literally still doing my first survey, like completing my basic info. I don't want to edit anything here. I really want to take you guys through on how I was able to do my first survey and how much I was paid. As you can see for yourself on the screen, the questions are really simple that anyone can answer. They are just asking if I love exercise, how often I exercise, my height, my weight, do I smoke, do I drink, just normal questions like that. Say pick anyone that best describes you. I'm a Black Africa, so I click on Black Africa. Now it's time for hobby and interest. What do I love? I love art, I love beauty and cosmetic, I love cooking, and I'm just going to pick up the remaining two to make it 5, then we'll proceed. I just got another notification that I have new survey, right? So anytime you have new survey, they are going to send you a notification. You go there and do the survey, then you get paid. As you can see, they say congratulations on completing your first gig, meaning I'm done with my personal info. Now they're asking me to connect my bank account. I can either connect my local bank account or I can connect my PayPal account. So I'm going to be connecting my UBA account. If you are not in Nigeria, you can check if your country is available, and I'm pretty sure that almost all the Africa countries are available. As you can see, I already have 0.001 USD for the completion of the profile I did. So indeed, this app does pay. I'm trying to make withdrawal now. I click on bank account. So the money I had there is showing. So I click on withdraw. It's showing transaction amount must be greater than or equal to $2. It means I must have $2 and above before I can make withdrawal from this app. So now I just click on gigs to see the survey that are available for me that I can do. As you can see, these are all the surveys that I have in queue that I can do now to earn money. I actually have 6 surveys. So I just clicked on one of them. This one is daily log refrigerator. He said in the daily log, take a picture of the product in your refrigerator with as many brands name as possible. I think this one is self-explanatory. Just open your refrigerator and take a picture of it just like this and take a picture. Then after taking the picture, you click on submit. You see guys, that is how simple this app can be, okay? Apart from taking surveys and get paid, you can actually still invite your friends, your family, your colleagues to this app and you will earn money once they register with your referral code. I'm going to be leaving mine in the description and it's displaying on the screen right now. Please do well to use mine to register. I hope this information helped you. Do well to drop your comments in the comment section if you have any. Thank you so much guys for watching. Always know that I'm rooting for you from afar. Do not also forget to always root for yourself. The next video that is showing up on your screen right now is actually the video that is going to teach you step-by-step guide on how you can make money online the laziest way ever. Click on it and I will see you in the other side.